Hi guys! In this video, each word is explained through a picture, definition, and example of usage. Look, listen, read, and repeat the words for the best way to memorize new vocabulary. In the second part of the video, you can practice the new words. Let's get started. Can. To be able to do something. She can swim very well. Speak. To say words with your mouth. He can speak 3 languages. Write. To make words or letters on paper or a screen. She likes to write stories. Read. To look at words and understand them. I read a book every night. Sing. To make music with your voice. He can sing very well. Dance. To move your body to music. We love to dance at parties. Swim. To move through water using your body. She can swim fast. Run. To move quickly on your feet. They run in the park every morning. Jump. To push yourself into the air. The cat can jump very high. Cook. To make food ready to eat. He likes to cook pasta. Play. To do something for fun, like a sport or music. He plays the guitar every day. Draw. To make pictures with a pencil or pen. He can draw animals very well. Paint. To make pictures with colours. She loves to paint landscapes. Fix. To make something work again. He can fix a broken chair. Repair. To fix something that is broken. They repair cars in the garage. Ride. To sit on and control a bike or a horse. He can ride a bike very well. Use. To do something with an object or tool. I use my phone every day. Climb. To go up something like a tree or a mountain. They climb the hill every weekend. Now, let's learn some nouns related to abilities. Talent. A natural ability to do something well. She has a talent for singing. Skill. The ability to do something well after learning and practice. Good communication is an important skill. Hobby. Something you do for fun in your free time. My hobby is skiing. Practice. The action of doing something many times to get better at it. With practice, you can improve your writing. Effort. The hard work you do to achieve something. He made a big effort to learn English. Challenge. Something that is difficult, but you try to do it. Climbing the mountain was a big challenge. Now let's learn some adjectives related to abilities. Good. Doing something well. She is good at playing the piano. Bad. Not doing something well. I'm bad at drawing. Quick. Doing something fast. He is a quick learner. Slow. Taking a long time to do something. She is a slow reader. Easy. Not difficult to do. This game is very easy to play. Difficult. Hard to do or understand. Math is difficult for me. Talented. Having a natural ability to do something well. He is a very talented artist. Skilled. Being good at something because of practice. She is a skilled designer. Creative. Able to think of new and interesting ideas. He is very creative in his writing. Time for a practice run. Your task is to fill in the missing word. Use the picture and the definition as a clue. Can. She can swim very well. Speak. He can speak 3 languages. Write. She likes to write stories. Read. Usually I read a book every night. Sing. He can sing very well. Dance. We love to dance at parties. Swim. She can swim fast. Run. They run in the park every morning. Jump. The cat can jump very high. Cook. He likes to cook pasta. Play. He plays the guitar every day. Draw. He can draw animals very well. Paint. She loves to paint landscapes. Fix. He can fix a broken chair. Repair. They repair cars in the garage. Ride. He can ride a bike very well. Use. I use my phone every day. Climb. They climb the hill every weekend. talent. She has a talent for singing. Skill. Good communication is an important skill. Hobby. My hobby is skiing. Practice. With practice, you can improve your writing. Effort. He made a big effort to learn English. Challenge. Climbing the mountain was a big challenge. Good. She is good at playing the piano. Bad. I'm bad at drawing. Quick. He is a quick learner. Slow. She is a slow reader. Easy. This game is very easy to play. Difficult. Math is difficult for me. Talented. He is a very talented artist. Skilled. She is a skilled dancer. Creative. He is very creative in his writing. Do this exercise several times and keep practicing the new words to learn them well.